You dirty bungle. Come here, dirty maggage body. T-dog. See the maggage them there? So them a crawl. All dirty bungle, all the rubbish. You understand? Come here, man. Come here. Yes, you cranny by the knife own. Dirty rubbish heap. Dirty bungle. You can't come on phone, come class. Nobody will better off than you. Nobody at all. Or when them no better off than you can't class. Nobody at all. Cause you know, in a no category for class, nobody, no category, no category, no play the spice in me there. No category in a class, nobody tea girl. Much as the class, somebody were in a far better position and better class than you. Where you come with? Your nice stretch out body. Where you stretch, the doctor stretch you out and slice you there and slice it here and you still can't come back to nothing. Eh? And that you come and maggle over. You come and talk about can't look like you and look on your face. Your face is full of worm. Close up and you put the camera to your face and be a worm. Because you don't have no time to sit down and squeeze your face. You recommend people to go take facial and go hairdress and go do proper hairstyle. And you not do none of the above. And be a worm in your face. You criticize people about how them look. And you're that big fan with that big rotten teeth for years now. People, you don't know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you have not yet subscribed, go and hit the subscription button now. Remember the young entrepreneur college student, Life of Gabby and Chevy. The link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Go give her a subscription. And remember the cash app also pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. People, I might go a little bit overboard here in this video that I'm going to dissect. Bear with me. Please, I'm begging you. And stay with me. Because when these people comes out in this type of behavior, I don't want to leave no stone unturned. But guess what? Because of YouTube guideline and policy, I might have to leave a few. But I still go and show a few. You understand? So people, bear with me with this video. Because this look at dirty rotten teeth, slimy mouth, white tongue. You understand? It's been disrespectful. And AD might not come out, come answer that way where me that want she answer or other people that want she answer. So me I take up the job and I know other people go and take up the job of answering this dirty scumbag. This living for nothing girl. This girl when I achieve nothing in her life. All the talk she a talk and all the brag she a brag. All she's doing is embarrassing herself. When she come and talk who she be with from who she not big be with and she don't achieve a time. You're suffering. Not only from some form of mental illness, but you're suffering from financial illness. You come out against a woman mother, you come out against she, you come out against her whole family. Who is you, T-girl? T-girl is that is worse than a stray dog. Because a lot of stray dog, I see the people come from where Canada come for them. A lot of gully dog, people come from Canada and come for them T-dog. You understand? So he's even worse than a stray dog. You have nothing in life to come out here. Come go on like you want to discriminate, body shame and carry down people. And then you, in return, in few minutes or hour after, you play a victim. The woman is a big woman. And if the woman come out on her platform and say what she wants to say and throw shades as card into you that have nothing to do with you. She never said Marian Walters. She never said T-Dog. She never said Tina Chin. She never said rotten teeth. She never said surgery body. She come out and throw her shades. She a big woman. And like you and your friend them, we come out day in, night out, morning in, night out, and call her name. Look what bring down the woman business since just before cake season start on your platform. If you not take them off, go and look
at them. You understand? And the woman is a big woman and she can't come on her own big platform where she have come to her shades or talk what she want to and call who she want to call name without calling them name unlike Uno. You have your big oldest son in the house lock up every day and you can't talk to him. Your big old oldest picnic where you have in the house. Where you come and brag about this and that and you picnic have this and the girl will come out and cry for the S word, she for this. And your big old picnic where in your house, this boy, when me say they are foreign a cell phone case. Because they are foreign and I talk about me can't ban American and they are foreign a cell phone case on sidewalk. I would have a storefront, me have me a cell phone case. Because nothing wrong with selling the phone case. But not on sidewalk as a born American. With a mother who's so stocious. Business minded and educated like you. You understand? People, let's get into the video. Wanna know, me not gonna just play. Me not gonna play the whole of the video. Wanna know that. 1. 2, wanna know me not gonna just play the part where she start up in her feelings. Cause me like to show. You know, so Raina Jew people and me I come out of the Jew Raina. I gotta change the position. But me just do the finish here so. Me not gonna just play the part where she just go up in her feelings. Cause me like to show the type of person where them is. As me tell you now, them come on them live and them start down here so. And them come up and reach where them want to reach. So it only shows you so when them come on the live, when them come on the live come start talk about at first, is not what them want to talk about. But them use that to get to where they want to get to. Alright? So let me go and play this. The Korean Jew. I can just work on I tree some more. Because this thing I feel like I chew the last time, just as me I get better, me make the rain wet me up. So that's why this thing I come like it a pearl and so long. And now me finally I try get rid of it, me can't make a Jew rain, and this is the rain where the danger rain. The Jew rain one. You can find you to them that sick you quick. Anyway people, so I could get into the action. Cause this girl, yo, Donna, stand strong. Now make sure draw you out. Cause I know all this a video yeah. Me and you come talk about you face to face. You can't but Donna face to face. No way. I mean not talk about Mountain View. Me talk about nowhere neutral. Cause now on bad enough phone, you know. You talk about chop up and cutty ranks. You pass cutty ranks. Cause the doctor cut you up so many times. To bring you to look like somebody and all. No, you can't look like not even a giraffe. You can't even look like an elephant. You understand? And you pay if you get cut up. Oh.
1,045 people.
Listen now, you know.
And I was so thrilled.
I praise our business and I go on. And all of a sudden, Thanksgiving sale at 99 fly up in our head.
I'm so happy about that. You know what I mean? I'm really, really happy about that and stuff like that, you know? Really happy. And I give God thanks to everything, man. You guys just went on my website and you just did your damn thing. You know, you did your thing, man. You know, I was just sitting there just scrolling, and I'm like, I'm seeing orders, $300 worth of orders. I'm seeing $400 worth of orders. You know, there are people ordering for themselves, people sending.
If you are get them that type of order, 300 and 400, and you talk it like it's multiple, a $300 and $400 order you are get, and in the same live here, you make 99 Thanksgiving sale fly up in a year head. You lie. Look, you're trying to look good and make it look like you sell something. You not sell nothing. The video alone proves that you not sell nothing. Because you don't have no time to come to this video. Because one, the woman never call your name.
Elsewhere, you know, you're a part of that. Big up yourself, Andrew Stone. You know, people messaging me, calling me all day. Like a regular Christmas customer them.
It done. It no good.
You know what I mean? Well, what else we can't give God thanks? I knew this year was gonna be a big year for me anyways. I just knew this year was gonna be
rise up the Predator song.
To my business. I couldn't forecast it per se specifically, but I knew this was my year. I felt the energy, I felt the
All the way she do yasso is like our medication. All the way she do yasso, we attack yasso is like our medication. If she not do this, she naturally gone crazy. Naturally gone crazy if she don't do this what she do yasso. She have to make herself feel like yes, business are going good. She has sell $400 order, $300 order. Yes, she have to make it look like that. Because if she not make it look like that, she naturally blowing away. A Thanksgiving sale make you go on so. And you know see the full Christmas sale yet and orders. This year not gonna help you. What you do you know? This not gonna give you no therapy in the Christmas if you behave so already.
Oh, I felt everything. You know what I mean? And you guys really showed out on my website, and I really appreciate it over this Black Friday. I'm going to do a write-up too, you know, telling you guys thank you and how to continue. The sale ends again tonight, midnight. Don't forget about that. The discount code ends midnight. Hey, Honey Buns. Hey, Frederica. Yeah, darling. Yeah, so, yeah, you know, it ends midnight, yo. So, you got 4 more hours. I hope I don't fall asleep before the midnight hour where I forget to end the sale. You know what I mean? I hope I don't forget to. But I'm just so thankful for everything. All of you guys going on my website and doing the damn thing, making amazing things happen, man. You guys are amazing. On my website.
Them people, me coulda know say, me predict this year, having a business and predict this year to be one of my best year. And going to be a very excellent year. And me start out in Thanksgiving and see it a prosper so. So that simply means my prediction out to come to the forefront. Right? And me come out in a phone and behave this way. Now God me want to take my blessing. Eh? But she not get no blessing. And she will never get none. More than look 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 there so. Lie.
Making amazing things happen. Every time I look
medication
at my phone,
this
my
year,
phone
this
will
what
be
she have
going
do
off.
so now a
Bing,
medication.
bing, bing. Because
To
each
relax
time I
our
get a
nerves.
website, each time I get
Fish
an
not
order
get
and
off.
my phone go off, you know, man. I'm gonna say the people that buy in the store look at me like, what the hell? I'm gonna say, yeah, that's my phone. Of course, I don't want to get them in my business to make them know what I want. But, you know, to hear my phone go off every time I get my order.
Of course, our phone goes off every minute in the store and the people them and say, oh yes, that's my phone. Of course, I don't want to get them in my business. What you said a while ago? Then if you have a blooming business and a well-established cake place or cake store or you're an established baker, master baker, and something like that happen, you're into a store and your phone not stop blow off because of your website and orders that is coming in and people asking you why you say, oh, that's my phone, and you are going to say you don't want to get them in your business. One more mood I want to do. This is like a promotion. My phone a blow off. Me tell them why it a blow off. You know that I'm a master baker and I have a restaurant. I have a bakery and my product is just going off the hook. And it's Thanksgiving time. It's just going off the hook, you know. I can't hold my product. I don't even have hands to make my product. I don't have money. I don't even have a bank account to hold the amount of money. I have to open a lot of bank accounts to hold the amount of money I'm making. Think make the people them gravitate to your baking, gravitate to your product, and want to make your phone blow off the hook some more. Eh? You don't seize that opportunity. You gonna say, boy, you just don't want to let them in your business. That alone showing the people say the girl a liar. What a better opportunity you could have won. For me, say, all right, me walk into a bank then, or I'm walk into a ceremony of 100 persons. Having a business like she, and my phone I go off the hook and the people them asking me, wow, it's your phone going like that? Yes, it's my phone. You know how I operate a bakery, you know? I have some of the best baked products, you know, I'm a master baker, and you know, that's the website. You know, I have a sale going on, and my product is so good, and that's the reason why my phone is just going off the hook. Everybody I go on know what kind of cake and what kind of things you bake. So you gotta start getting new customer there, so. But you hide it from them and want to come tell we that.
tell them, man, me have to give God thanks for that because a lot of people now get them type of ding, 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 they, when them phone now go off like mine. You understand?
A little Chris, ring ding ding, who know that song? Yeah? Ring ding 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 ding, ring ding 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 ding, da da. I must that song that little Chris did do.
Yeah, man, I saw you have to do things, man. Look how my business turn up, man. Business
Just
turn
listen
up
how she
and
a talk, you
everything
know, she
turn
a
up.
tell a daring lie. Just
Yeah, man,
listen
me
to her.
deserve it, man. I work very hard for mine, you know what I mean? I got through a lot.
Therapy
Get
this
me?
man, a therapy this year.
Blessings,
Medication.
man. Blessings. Give God thanks. So I have until midnight tonight. TinaChinCakes.com. Uno have until midnight tonight to go up on the website and things happen for uno. Big up yourself, Carrie Berry. My chest kinda hurt me still, you know. My chest
Think of your chest a hurt you.
I don't know if
Something
I
else will hurt you,
tiredness.
no worry,
I
man.
just like lay down. I don't know if I
By
anxiety, you know,
January,
like
February,
sometimes,
early,
like
you'll go
looking
and
at my
wish water
website
hurt
and
you.
seeing all the orders that I have to fill. It could be anxiety. I don't know what it is. You understand what I'm saying? But I came on here tonight, guys, right,
Time for the story.
to say this, you know.
Finally
This is
reach what you want
why
to reach.
war on social media can't done. You know, this is why certain things can't end, you know. You know, when us bigger people, us who know better, we're doing better. You know, people like myself who know better. So I'm trying to do better. You know what I mean? You're trying to avoid certain conflicts. You're staying in your corner. You're just staying in your corner and doing your own thing. You know what I mean? You're trying to avoid the conflict because you know you're bigger than that. You know better than that. You're a little bit more. You're way more intelligent than the others out there and shit like that. So you're trying to avoid problems. You know what I mean? Initially, when I came on social media, I didn't come out here to cause problems with nobody. None, Tom. You know what I mean?
So why you cause so much problem? If you not come on social media initially when you come on social media, why you cause so much problem in the past and still continuing to cause problem? Because in this life, the woman never call your name. So why you come out at the woman claiming that you're throwing shades and your name never call?
They found me. You know what I mean? And it's just sad, man. When these
None of your
warmongers
nickname the
come on
woman
the
they ever
internet and
call
do their
them.
dirt. Now, lady in Jamaica, you Donna Gow I'm talking to. You see like how you can throw your shade and you throw your shade and you throw your shade? Let me tell you something, big man. Yeah? Me and you Donna Gow is not the same thing. I'm gonna address you directly. You understand me? You see, I like you, I love war, I love that shade. You see me, Donna go, me I go come to you direct to you, you know, because me a girl will like look people straight in them face when me I talk to them. You see me, when me I talk to people, me like look them dead in them eye because I want them see me.
Take a flight and come to Jamaica and arrange the day, time and the place, but make sure it's neutral. Since you love looking to people's face when you talk to them, because you talking to Donna go on your phone screen, Donna go now see you. Because Donna go now no time for you. She busy working. You understand? She bake once a year or twice a year, and when baking time come, she put the sacrifice in. Stand up on her foot. Or when sleep a beat her. You understand? She stand up on her foot and she put in her orders. Or put in the effort in our product for reach out to the customers that order our goods so them can reach one time and she not have to refund no money and nobody not have to refund no money for her, and 3 months after people order and get them order, you have to refund the money. You understand? Because most time, you know, it's because whoever pre-order the people them money you have to take. So when you don't get enough order, you can't bake. And when you don't get enough order, you can't go to the place where you bake. Right now, go worth it. So when 5 or 6 somebody send them order and you are looking for 30 orders to go and rent that place to bake the 30 orders, and you don't get it, that 6 somebody just suffer. You understand? And you feel for return the people their money. You understand? And like Donna go, she take her thousands, millions, invest and put in her business, and sit and wait for the outcome because she already know what the outcome will be, because she know what the support is like. Simple as that.
Understand me? And make sure say the words that will come out of my mouth, I want it saturated in their mind. You understand me, big lady? Are you me I talk to? Store, fridge. You see one over this, are you me I talk to, lady? You understand me? You see one with shape like your stove and your
It's like
fridge
a
them in your
mark.
kitchen. Listen to me, lady.
It's like one of the reject
You
mark
understand
them
me?
down
You
at
wish you would
Jamaica.
have a face like mine. You understand?
Face
You
like
want to see
yours.
demon? Looking at the mirror, you see demon. You are the demon, not me. You is the demon, not me, because you cannot make peace reign. You understand? Big December, big Black Friday weekend. You should.
You talk about cannot make peace reign and big Black Friday, big December. Long before December, you were going at the woman product. Long before December, you were posting the woman product with all kind of name and all kind of slash this, slash that. And showing your shades on your platform. You ever see Donna go post something for you yet? Whether it's good or it's bad, you ever see she post nothing for you yet? And long before December, you have been posting things about the woman product, trying to bring down the woman product, matching your product with our product, your bolo slush, with all kind of different cheap mixtures. It's because at Jamaica we there, but the circles in America, the amount of running belly them supposed to have with all kind of things where you mix up. But when Donna go, did I do farewell for mix up, to bring forth a flavor to our cakes, you understand? To enlarging our product line, you criticize it and talk about she not have no chemist and what kind of this, and people are foreign and watch on yourself and running belly and so on belly ache and now you mix all kind of garbage. A sprinkle upon cake, I put in a cake. For when people bite in a cake, them taste a difference. That is not baking, man. Because if me get up and me mix up little sugar and water and squeeze a little lime in it and sprinkle over the cake must taste a sugar and water or taste a lemonade. Or taste a lime, have a sour taste. You understand? So that is no form of baking. But you're not brave enough or have the qualities or have the finance. If you know, say, if you go so boom and twist certain cake and put certain ingredients, twist them and turn it and mix a batter, we can make 50 cake or 60 cake and it spoil and come out to something, you can't afford to dash that. Donna go can afford to dash it away. So that's why they come out with your teeth and your tongue. When not clean and rotten, come and chat because you love chat. So you will try bring down the woman product from before baking season even start for the woman. So what you come and talk about now? You don't want to give it and can't take it? Then suppose the woman record your name.
Sit down there and count your kinds. You sit up on social media, throw your shade and I try tear down another businesswoman. Hey, what? I want to your big fridge. I want to your big stove. Where you go hold a corner and sit down, man? I want to go sit down and count your kinds, them now? Why every minute you have to come on social media, stove and fridge, come get yourself problem? Why you make your mouth, your big workless dunce mouth always a give problem, Donna go?
Just like how you make your stinking wanna give you a problem. Just like how you make your rat the teeth hurt you. And when it hurt you, come up to relax your gum and come mail with different people in social media.
And then you are the first one for come on the internet and come and talk about, oh, you go sue. Who the frig you can sue with a reckless dirty mouth they have yours?
Sit and wait, it's coming. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run like no wounded dog. Don't run. T-dog, don't run. Sit and wait, it is coming.
The only person you go sue your mama. Go sue your mama for giving birth to a big donkey, a dumbo, big jumbo mumbo, blood cleat, dirty woman like you.
You know what happened? This is what me I talk about. And when people come out, come talk now against them, you know, you have some people sit on one side and say, no, this is below the belt. But like all T-girl you know, with she getting the woman mother involved, and you go below the belt. It equal. Equal. Yeah, man, it's equal. And this is why people attacking your daughter who is not belonging in the whole of this. But because of your behavior in a phone, and you come out and you go at other people, families and kids, and you sit and don't expect people to go at your family and kids. As I say, in the previous video, you have your big dirty stinking father right beside you. Where it sound like bronchitis I take him over. Him just step on and you dep on alive. At least Donna can show her ugly mother. But you can't show your deplorable father. The condition of your deplorable father in her. Where you go take him from the home for a day or two for Thanksgiving. And have him at your yard. You could even video him like this and show him. You move him from which part you actually go sit down and put him at a further space because you were talking too much and in the camera. And when you take, okay, sorry, only give me a minute then. Give me a minute and see how you look, because you make sure so the camera not pointing where you can't see any movements that are. And your big dirty father there, bronchitis, and mash him up. And before you go give him attention, just like how your daughter need your attention, and you have not given her any attention.
To your mama. You understand me? You can't come sue nobody on this and on the internet every day. I throw your shade and I slander people. Lady, go move, man. I go sit down, man. Go one side. You're too blood cleat ugly for me so loud and vulgar. Always want.
Tina, stop calling people ugly because you're nowhere near good looking. You're far from good looking, Tina. No make nobody fool you. And I can't tell you, and I can't put my whole of my life savings. Donna just wake up and you just wake up. 99.9.9.9 people we are going to see the two on you. I go pick Donna. And if Donna dress up are the same thing, because the only way you can dress if you look attracted or feel like you look attracted is when you dress up in your little tights and skimpy wimpy short clothes them. I show your whole ass leg them. You understand? Because I know human leg them that you have. People are going to come out of the jewelry. That's the only time you feel comfortable in a skimpy wimpy clothes. No elegant form of dressing. You feel confident in yourself. And anything you put on, you're supposed to feel confident in yourself if you know you look good. If you know you're good looking. And if you not put on skimpy wimpy clothes, you not feel good in yourself. So you can't come talk and compare yourself to Donna. The world will see it. If somebody will go on at the knife 3 times.
Ugly people must be so loud and vulgar. Go hold a corner somewhere, lady.
So where prettiness I go? Prettiness make you have 2 life? Prettiness make you have 3 life? Prettiness make you have more than me? Eh? And your work ethic where you have, your ambition. You understand? And the will to go for what you want. The clean heart and pure mind. That's what count. Looks not count. Because you look good. And you're pretty. And you're good looking. And you don't have no life. You understand? You don't have nothing in a life. Okay.
You understand now? Look at my nice, look good face now. Look at me, I go through my stress. And this big blood cleat store over our fridge. Sit up on our back.
Take it out, you know.
Eh? Oh.
People, this round here, so I see face as a fear rotten teeth there. Broke off in our head. When we take out this, it never rotten. It never rotten. It just a shake, and I take it out. You understand? Shake, and I see place as a fear rotten teeth there. Right here, so. Big old broke off rotten teeth up in our head, and you live a big foreign. And you come at talk about look good, pretty face and dirty mouth. Mouth we beat and slash and blash all about in a dance hall, all about in a corner. Urinal. Eh? Hey.
Over there, come somebody throw a shade for me. Lady, you don't have no heart in your dirty D. You call people demon. You have a mirror? Eh? When I ask your friend Carol for buy a whole full body mirror, I stand up in front of it. You see, I have 3 full body mirror in my house. Cause I love look for myself first. Yeah, I love look for myself.
All of them mirror the way you have a look on yourself, I give you a bad focus. Plus, you don't have no way if you have 3 full body mirror in your house. You're squeezing for space which part you live. Which part you live, you're squeezing for space. So which part you have to put 4 or 3 full body mirror. When you need the space to bake 2 little cupcake. And after the round which part you tile it in your washroom there bake. Have to be begging CJ to close the door. Because CJ feel think. So you have to beg him to close the door. I would like to make all your father did a cough so much. Because the smell I get at him. So what kind of space you have to put 3 full body mirror with your liar self? You feel like you can come in a phone, come talk things and people believe you. Come prove it and show it to us. If you want us to even as toops of thinking that you are telling the truth.
I have 3 full body mirror. One in my bedroom, one in my living room, and my daughter give me and my son have one. When take out of my room. So I'm out.
One in my bedroom, one in my living room. And my son got one when take out of my room. Which part him put it? You say you have 3 full body mirror in your house. What your daughter give you? Not even you buying your daughter give you. Because if I did you for buy it, you wouldn't have it. But to your daughter know you don't look good. Your daughter know you not tan good. She always want you have mirror. If you can fix up yourself. To make you look like you tan good. To make you look like you look good. That's why she continue to buy you mirrors for gift. Where your daughter go buy you 3 full body mirror for? Eh? What sense it make? You go say one in your bedroom, one in your living room, and you're stuck. And my son take out. Which part put it? Because no more room no there. And the living room is same place where your kitchen and everything they all in one. And it's 1 bedroom. So which part you put the next one? Liar.
There's a look for myself from head to toe. You need a bunch of them in your house. Yeah, so you can look for yourself, Donna. I'm not telling a lie. You need to go check yourself, my lady. God no. You're too out of order, man. You're too
Mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. From Grand Spento. Nah, no head from Rima to Tivoli. Nah, no head from Towile to Waterhouse. Nah, no head. Mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Thanksgiving sale make them head gone off again. Thanksgiving sale make them head gone off again. When them see the Thanksgiving sale, oh, mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Hey!
big and dirty and careless and out of order. Donna go hold a corner somewhere, man.
Unlike you, Marian Walters,
you
you're
yourself
filthy.
Too much blood clean trouble. You know them people in a school will always just run them out and all teacher beat them. Them now listen, them still a chat. That is you. My lady go hold a corner somewhere, man, and move up. You understand me? Friggin', you coming?
You can't say you're a phone bad woman, you know. Internet bad person. Yeah, man, you're internet bad woman, man. More you come to Jamaica and hide all the while you come here, you're so bad. You have to come to Jamaica and go live, man. Make people know which part you're there. That alone show you say you're a coward. Because you come to Jamaica, you're afraid to go live. Because you don't want nobody to know where you're there. Not even if you're there on the street. All if you don't want to resort, you're afraid to go live. Because you don't want nobody to know that resort there. You say you're an internet bad person. When you just come on internet, come make trouble and brrrr. One man forgive people impression like on a tough hearted. Yeah, man, impression don't come forgive people, you know.
Like pig in a mud. No matter how much money you sit down there and a go and a brag and a go like you make. You can't go buy some class, lady. Eh? When do you grow out of that dirty behavior where you have? Huh?
Anytime you grow tight, you the educated one, when you grow tight and start set an example, we the duns will follow. But not follow you, but will try to adapt. You understand? Yeah.
You not plan for grow out of that dirty nasty behavior there go buy some class,
Rain
dirty
people,
girl.
good thing me get up, cause rain
You
a
see
come
how me
down
have
hard,
that
you
dirty
know.
girl up? I don't even want to go there. But you give me no choice. Because you just want...
Tina, Marian Walters, you know dirty girl. You're a filthy one. Filthy one. You know what filthy mean? Okay. All cesspool chuck would refuse you, T girl. Yeah, man. And a filth cesspool chuck jar. And all that would refuse you. You could have to come up on the street like, you know, the government sewage, water commission sewage, line them run in the road. And when them overfull and black up, you see them bubble up and you see the manual bus. Yeah. And you see the cover lift off it and you see the water just come up. That's you. You have to run away on the road and smell up the road. You know? And make people disturbed by your smell. Because not even cesspool truck won't draw you. So it's not a pit, like a private pit, like most of the yards, them have private pits, where them call in the private cesspool truck that draw filth to draw it. You are the type of filth that mix up and run on the street, on the government line. That's the type of filth you are, so you can't call nobody dirty.
Stop! Dirty girl, Donna go. You see what me talk?
Filthy Tina, Marian Walters.
With a dirty
Anytime you
girl
stop.
self.
Germs.
Sit down, man. Man.
At the start of the video, you see the
Fridge,
magic gem, me show you. And then you
Every
this.
day I come on social media.
Them not left.
All them bad mind me. Nobody don't give a shit about you. Everybody have their own stress to deal with. I want you.
You know what surprised me, people? Whatever live Donna has done, for she to come out like this, honestly, I have not seen it. And me never go look for it. You know the reason why I never go look for it? I can put my last dollar. I can put my life on the line, my kids' life, and swear that Donna go, Donna Marie go, 99, Mountain View, Mixy, Baga, Betty, or whatever name you no want call her, big hardback woman, never call this dirty, filthy girl name. You understand? Not even call her T-Dog, surgery body, Corky Porky, none of them, not even none of the nickname them, I can swear 99 no call. And this girl see it fit every time the woman come out come talk, whether a shade she a show, or the whole lamp, or a candle, or the wheat, or the cursing oil. Why every time the woman come out come through her shade, you and Dirty Marcia, cause the tone of dirty alike, feel fit to take it up? Why nobody else in a social media not take up the woman shade? Why uno have to be the main two persons have to come out when the woman come out on her platform, chat because she have a big platform with her big supporters, wide range of people supporting her from all different age group, and she come out come talk and she feel like say what she want to say, and whether she hear say uno did say Ray 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week ago, and she feel festive and feel like she have little time to waste because it's on a waste of time. When she have waste of time, she might come out and have time to show a little shade, because we not categorize in no other time, you know. No other positive time or beneficial time we not even cross the mind. Is when we have waste of time, because we not waste. So you deal with waste and treat waste like waste. You understand? You can't treat garbage which is waste. as if it's something good. Because you know the type of garbage you can't even recycle. Because you have some garbage you have good garbage. Yes, man. You have some waste, what we call garbage, we have good garbage because it can be recycled. You know the recycle type of garbage. You know the do away type of garbage. You know if you just do away with to the landfill. Yes, man. That type of garbage you know is illegal.
Lady, everybody have them blood clean stress I deal with. Me have my stress I deal with everybody else. I'm assuming have them.
Donna have no stress. She comfortable more than all she do. Live and love and share and earn her dollars, pay her bills and make her life comfortable. Unlike you, we're not doing just the same. Not even to the lowest level. And that's why you have to be stressed.
Stress I deal with. You think people get up every blood clip there and a blood clip there and I worry about you? You're too ugly for people keeping in them memory. You're a scary movie. You're a dopey show. Nobody not keeping in them head and I walk up and dog with you on them brain, baby love.
Can you imagine? I call people scary movie and you go do breast because you know, you're not fond of the little thumper way it have. So you want to be sexy because you know within yourself you're not sexy. And you run go do breast. And breast they even heal up good. You want to go road for man see you. You buy 2-piece sitting gone up in your ass. That gold sitting there, remember that gold 2-piece sitting there. I want to go top business where breast out there show. And can you imagine? She goes for multiple amount of man there and not one man go psst. You come out, come speak it. So you can't believe say not even one man no call to you. So you know consider yourself a part of scary movie. Which woman know in your feelings and your sense you're sexy. And boobs are show what you just do. So your expectation is man go and lust off of you and run off of you. And none never run off of you. I scare them, you know. And it all boils down because you never look good. Because your shape, out of shape, you're unbalanced. You need a compass to straighten you. 2, your legs them is not looking like a female legs. You understand? You don't have a female look legs. 3, your calf them look like a cow. Yes, 3, your calf them look like cow. 4, your feet, which is your toe and your feet, your lower part of your feet, your foot, have no sexiness to it. You understand? And let me tell you now, a woman's breast is the first thing that attract me. Not necessarily say it have a stiff, because you know woman have baby and thing, but you know say growing up as a youth, a woman's breast are the first thing that attract you. Then you might look in her face if she ugly. Then her mouth. You know the next place where me look? On your foot. Me look up your foot if you have a baby coffin. Me look how pretty and sexy your toe them is. That's what attract me. And that's what attract a lot of man. So you don't have no attractiveness about you. So when you go out there and a man no call to you, no cure, you dress up, you're not supposed to feel that way because you never designed properly. You understand? When Father God did that design you, He know the type of person you're going to turn out to be. So He put you one side and spend some more time on somebody else and forgot you. And this is why you come now and try for doctor to kind of correct them mistake there. But anything God do cannot be corrected unless Him correct it.
Must be a delusional look rich. I want to you, man. Them look idiot people here hype you up to make you feel like you're somebody. Girl, what? I'm going to hold a corner with your blood clean, ugly
Mad
blood
out, you know.
clot
Listen
shape
to the
and
voice.
stuff.
Mad out.
Come on. Every day you come from the internet and I come and style up people, style up, and I show you look shit. I want to you, lady, man. I want to you. I'm just jealous of people. You want to see the man looking at the mirror. How much mirror you have in your house? If you don't have no mirror, you need plenty. Go looking at the mirror then and you see a demon. With your blood clean ugly self. With your cut up, chop up self. Who look more like a demon, me or you?
You.
Eh?
Everybody say it. I ain't have to look.
Friggin' warm
Your
big
heart is it.
old termite, big. She coming like a big. Hey, girl. Why go sit down, man? Big Black Friday weekend they up on the internet and show you dirty word for people.
Because she can't afford to. Because she have no stress. The order tall so. Unlike you, Black Friday. And you have no order. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not order for a big professional baker like you. So that stress you, that mad you. So you are the one have to sit down and stress and worry about Black Friday. 99 Black Friday did already set from it white, from it blue, from it pink. So now it black is the icing and the cake she just a collect. You understand? Fear Black Friday did already set. Order tall so. Thanksgiving tall so. Not to mention Christmas. You talk about Black Friday. Are you worried about Black Friday?
Man, you think I'm afraid of you dirty woman?
Sale and sale and sale and sale and just straight sale, so.
Ever since you come on the internet and
So you want size up, doing a lot of sales?
You're a friggin' warmonger. Dirty woman. You're a warmonger and you don't know when to stop. You don't know when to stop. Stop now, man.
People, I know someone who are going to watch this video and I say, boy, why me play all these videos and why me play all these parts of the video of she saying this and saying. Yes, man, we have to do it. We have to do it. We have to show up Uno and the wider world the type of behavior what these people put on in a phone. And these are people who are look after products that we can call food then for going in our belly. These are people who's growing ass woman. You understand what I say to you? And she's going after somebody who don't pinpoint her to say a she attack when she are talking on her platform. She don't even call her name. So we have to play them things and make us understand the type of people where we in general have to deal with in the world. And the type of people where 99 ourselves have to deal with. People who just jealous and hate upon her. She's her own big woman and she can't do nothing. Everything she do is a problem. What? Because she's a prominent figure? Eh? So what? A prominent figure and have them personal life to live. So true, I'm a prominent figure, I can't go out this and walk out this barefoot or walk out this without shirt. I should have known better, I should have on shirt, I should have on comes up. I have my own personal life to live outside of social media. And that's enough to understand. You understand? So we have to show people like them and them behavior. To show you them behavior is just as filthy or worse. As a matter of fact, they are filthier than them behavior. Because for them filthiness, I push out that little part of filth there. I show them behavior.
Man. You're almost 50 years old now. Stop, man. Every day you get up and beat up the piece of Bible where you have and you come with your mouth full of lie.
That a secure, eh?
And full of bag of... Really go sit down.
That a secure.
Your voice a 9. Nobody know what you hear about.
If you're going to say people vice at 9, what you say about your one? Eh? What you say about your one? Because you never have anything constructive to say or talk about. No care you try to talk about something constructive or in a split seconds or two, you're derail. So who for vice at 9? And you come on the phone and talk about the same thing every day. People business.
Yo, nobody don't want to see your ear, you're nothing. We don't want to look for you, you're too ugly. God don't know you. Go have several seats somewhere. Everybody I deal with them stress, including me.
Think you start dealing with stress yet? Won't it more to come?
You don't go sit down somewhere, man.
What kind of stress you feel under? For a woman and mingle with so much rich guys on top of the Norris and celebrities as what you say, not me, you say it. What kind of stress you feel under? Eh? What kind of stress you feel under? You're supposed to well off and comfortable.
Sit down somewhere, man.
A dunce aware, brightness now aware. You know, say I be a dunce people are elevate. Hmm? You know, say all who spend much millions and rare. Not saying I'm fighting against education. Education is a must. But when all them you come up with say them bright, and I talk about bright and dunce and bright and dunce. And most of dunce people are elevate. Because guess what, me know? We use street smart and use yasso and elevate yourself. How much of the bright people them spend millions and thousands of dollars right now don't have a job that suit them qualification? They have to do something below them qualification. How much of them have fight to pay them bills? How much of them have fight to pay back student loan when after graduate from university? That shouldn't be the case. Them supposed to well off and comfortable because that's the reason why they go to university and college. To have a high standard of education so them can get a high salary to meet them demands and them needs. How much of them are ball? And at the dunce them are elevate.
You have nothing fulfilling for
You are so bright and you're not elevate.
Every day I come on the internet. People bad now. People bad, my boy. I want to miss her. I want
Bunny
to
are
miss
you?
her.
Because you know you fall of the category.
Me have a page. Me have a page. You bad man, my page. Really go sit down. Go have several seats somewhere. With your late in life self. Go sit down. If you have a blood click cut your ranks, one bag of chop all about fire, and you come and go like you have somebody on the internet and want to come disrespect people who there.
The good thing about it, if you chop them a show, and she can tell you how she get her chop them and nobody chop her up. And, you know, as kids living in the inner city and the ghetto, there's a lot of us have chop. Some of we get it because we're rude, we are climb wall, we drop off, we bust with head. We are try to go through one bag of wire, I cut we. You know, some, every minute we in a little passa. And, you know, and all the while you will come out be the winner when you're in a fight. You're going to come out, get a scare one at a time. And every time you go into the war, the fight, and you come out with a scare, that means you lose. So, you're not saying nothing. It's a norm for people in the inner city and the ghetto to have cuts and bruises and chops. Come on. What are you saying? Are that you try to use a costume, man? No, man. What if it is try size up financially? Try use your ability and size up. Try use your ambition and size up. Try use your pass and size up. Don't use a little cut them pan her hand and them something and size up. Me have one heap on me. I don't know boy beat me up. But as me say, your childhood days, certain things what you do. And I say, you can't hear, you go feel. When your parents hear or your family, you say, Lord, see them jump off of the wall. Yeah man, me talk to him much time. You can't hear, you feel. Head bust out. You understand? Nose bust up. Mouth bust up. You lose all one teeth. Him can't hear, make him feel, man. Yes. Childhood days. Where?
Before you.
All New York rat. You
tell
come like
my
one of
idiot,
them
girl.
big New York rat.
With a big loud, big dunce, ignorant mouth. Now you see one promote the same sore foot dirty girl. Now you send people over there for go look for a story about me. Eh? Now you see one promote her fridge. Fridge and stove, you forget? Are you promote her? Are you send your followers them over there to her, you forget?
It is a time of the year fridge and stove sell enough. So no matter what you want to call fridge and stove, she alright. Donna goes, she alright. Fridge and store, alright. Go look for that my father there and play it, man. Donna go, alright. Fridge and stove, the best time of year for sell fridge and stove.
Now last week you said your followers them, boy, for go look on Sorefoot page. Now you do that last week. So how come all of a sudden now you're going to take her off of your page? Come on now. You don't want to see my pretty face? You're too you talk about people bad mind. Are you bad mind? You bad mind anybody will look better than you or do it more than you. You bad mind them. Because them for big and
me see why do you post your daughter? You could even show her face. You could even show your daughter face. And just the part where you show her body alone, because you feel excited and feel good about the body where you show for your daughter. Why you never show her full picture and show her face? Eh? But you come out here and criticize people.
I can't rock like you and shape bad like you. Only then will you accept them. The time you sit up on the blood cleat internet and throw your shade for me, you go run up and down Mountain View. Go run. You will stop run for you. Stop run. You stop run.
Mad them and mad out.
You know the JLP conference for go. Or that's where you go yesterday. I'll lay down with your blood cleat house and go like your bake. Eh?
So, what if she go JLP conference? What if she lay down in her nice, clean house, nice, big, king-size bed? We all know at one time it cost you about three weeks, couple months, about a year and a half ago. And when me look, you come out, barely catch up because you don't want the sheet ravel, or you don't want your dirty skin nasty up and silent look people them sheets where you lie down in them bed and I go on like a year bed. And you do a little video for about 2-3 minutes. From that, I don't see you back in that bed there, you know. From that, I don't see back in that bed there, you know. Donna in her nice, clean house and clean bed. One day, she bake her or in her bed or JLP meet she go. That now have nothing to do with you. Whether she want bake or not, if she not bake today, she not bake tomorrow, she not stress like you. You understand? Yeah. Because she's above.
At the JLP conference you go yesterday, dirty woman. Yo, woman, come on from my back, man.
Alright, germs.
Come on from my back, lady. Come and don't see you.
Maggot.
You big, you coming like a big ball of germs.
Are you edit
I
though?
want you, man.
You are the head of the ball. I didn't want to classify you as germs because, you know, germs can be cured. I want to find
like
something that cannot be cured.
Germs.
Because you don't have no cure for cure. You not have no cure for cure. And germs can't get rid of. Because dental and liquor medication, I want to find something because you're permanent. You're not temporary, you're permanent germs.
Why you not baking?
After
Why
you
aren't
say,
you
what
baking?
you worry about I'm baking?
Huh? Get up on it, get up. I mean, I want to see them demon there. A demon like you. You know what I'm wearing now?
She repeat this about 4 times. What Donna said. She don't want to see them D there. She don't want to see them D there. So why you take it up? You are the D? Okay. You know you are the D. So that's why you take up the argument and come out so strong. But as I say, my people, all the way she are going with is therapy for her. Is our medication. Thanksgiving done and over with. And it's nothing like what she did expect or even think could have happened. Probably 10K last year, she'll look at 20 this year. Because she projected to have a very big hair. So, with it not happen, she have to come out and speak. Get it off her chest, her stomach. Get off the flux off her. As therapy, it's her medication. So, I want to see with her. Alright? Yeah, man, her medication. If she not do this, our next door neighbor, I go stay and you boom! Like something explode. And when them run and go, she explode. So she have to do this. This is her therapy and medication.
Us. Ain't big hard back late in life, woman. You know the mirror in your house? You're big and tough and choppy like. But I know, hey, no matter how much time them boil you, there's no softness that come in at you. Because the way you're just tough and barky. Big ball of germs, you. Go sit down, man.
Me show you the rubbish pan a while ago, you know. When you see rubbish pan or the maggot gem just itch up on the side of the rubbish pan, I she that. She's like maggot, maggage, as well would I say. Just itch up on Donna. Yeah. Every move Donna move she can see. Every move Donna move she can know. Every talk Donna talk she can hear. And yet still she now watch and she now listen. Yeah, maggot. So the maggot them just suck on the blue drum or the dirt pan that you know, and the maggot just suck on them, yeah, man.
You think it's a good example for where I come out of Jamaica? Jamaica have enough nice girl, enough educated girl. You just have...
Where that I go? When nice and educated I go. You know what of them nice and educated girl around a Ripon Road? Round a Waterloo Road? Round a Lady Musgrave Avenue? Round a West King's House Road at night time? You know what of them well educated, nice girl there? Some of them say them a nurse and doctor. Eh? Because what? Them a live there above them demand. So the salary can't work out. So them have to go out there. So wait I go. Eh? Where education I go. Nice and pretty. Same place which part the dunce and the ugly there. You understand? Yeah.
A big ignorant book coming out of Jamaica make Jamaican people look bad. Make people think that's how Jamaican people act. Lady go sit down and go learn some class.
When them all listen to you know that's how them are gonna feel. You know that when them all listen to you that's how them are gonna feel for real, honestly.
You have some money now, go buy some blood clean class. Go buy some class, man. You're too big and bugger and yes and worthless. And you're more reckless and that. Oh, yeah, come out, come sue. Sue what? What sue?
That amount nice and clean, you know. Anytime you can come on phone and open your mouth, like how Donna that open for your mouth, yes. You understand? Because I don't know how you have that big rotten teeth then. See that? It's a silver filling this never in my teeth. Look. Me just feel one little chip. And when I drink something cold, I feel it. And I got the dentist and the dentist said, you have a little crack here, you know. The teeth don't have to come out and it's not deep. We can fill it for you. And then introduce me to the filling, the one that can match your teeth. But them explain, say, the one that match your teeth is a weaker filling. You know? So, basically, them say, within a couple months, I cannot eat all and just feel pop out. As well as it can serve me long. So, better I choose the filling, which is a stronger one, any one of my child. And I choose the stronger one, because I mean that. I prefer to go for the something which can serve me long, more than go buy the little cheap one that look good. You understand? Or buy the one that say it fancy, but it can't serve me no time. So just imagine me having this big dirty rotten teeth journey, so to a social media person will love come along. You soon stop long out all your tongue to, you know. Because the tongue there get white and slimy. So you soon stop long it out like how you stop laughing with the rotten teeth.
Your mama for birth, you. You saw your blood clean ugly, like sin. You ugly and your mama ugly. The two are ugly.
But you can't show your little lapidated pooper where you have on phone. Look how close in there to you in a big Thanksgiving time. And you can't show your little all people. You know, I make a hold it. Because I don't want to go there, so, you know. I don't want to go there, so. I bet you any money right now than mama more healthier than your pooper. Because your pooper, as me say, sound like bronchitis and pressure him. And you're there on live with him side of you. You would get up and give him a cough medicine. You can't show your pooper. Because of disgrace, disgust if you ever show your pooper. Social media mash up. You don't have no talk on social media if you ever show your pooper. Because I can bet you say I'm in a deplorable condition.
Sue your mama.
Your pooper should have sue you when your teeth in money.
I take injection, I take the diabetic injection, them I go like share somebody with the whole of blood clean belly down her knee.
What a way you know them they sitting there. So we you not take it?
I take the Ozempic injection.
She know them.
She want to run competition with
She
Dolly
know
Body.
them.
Where from yesterday? They're too bad mind.
Just to tell you, say at them she take two, you know. And it
you
not
cannot
work
look
same
better
way.
than everybody. You can't. It don't work like that. Just like how me can't look better than everybody, you're not supposed to expect to look better than everybody.
You don't look better than can't look better than everybody. You
people
can't look better than nobody.
Go run your business. You don't say you're a businesswoman. Go run your business. All drama coming at this.
Mad.
Oh, drama coming at this. Go sit down and run your
And
business.
Christmas
Go
season
sit
not come
nice
yet.
and quiet all weekend and make my money. Listen, me not see you, you know. Me not see none of those stinking people, you know. Where I call up my name and I come and sit down and make my money and I deal with my customers then. But you don't realize that? All the war where you push cutty ranks, me not see you. Come and sit down and make.
Donna cutty ranks, but you are baby Wayne. Yes, man. Donna cutty ranks. But Donna can't come tell you how she get all of your cut them. How you becomes baby Wayne. How you becomes baby Wayne. Since a DJ you go, how you becomes baby Wayne. That you go spend 10 or 5 years being a baby Wayne. Donna not spend no time to be a cutty ranks. Mule!
My money, me not see you. You send everybody out for me and me not see you and me not see them. Cause me busy, I pay attention to me business. On God. And people can tell you that say that me did I do. Me never see you and me not see them. Everybody you send out for me, me ignore them. Back to sender. You friggin' warmonger, yeah? You don't like see nobody on the internet who not kiss your ass and make it. Because me I throw your shade and people don't see. Me I pint it out. Bitch, leave me alone. Leave me alone. My face prettier than yours. You will never have a pitney pretty like mine.
Where that I go? Carry go to supermarket. Carry your pretty face. Go down to the medical center. Go assist your daughter. Unlike when you pull up at the gas station and couldn't buy like a gas, the man said, this card is invalid, this card has no cash. And you're depend, shh, me depend alive, shh. Carry your pretty face now. Go solve all of the problem you have about pretty face.
never have nobody pretty like me. None of what born out of you from generation to generation to generation will ever look anything like me. Or any of my grandkids them. Because the whole generation are ugly. Your cousin them out, everybody feel ugly.
So oh you know the woman cousin them and you now watch her. Go see how y'all lost off one of the woman man cousin them. That you know that.
So who's you for come on internet come call people demon? You ever see your face yet?
As me I say, you hide all of your I just say your dad, your grandparents them you're sure. So you come like a them alone you're prouder. You try to hide CJ, you try to hide your daughter. Up to recently you post your daughter body. I like you say look pan tickers. Look pan big piece of blab about tickers. You can't show no face and you compare and talk about people ugly. And you can't show nobody for you. Now come this up. Speak my mind people. Thanks for watching, you know. Come to the end of the video. I'll show you them type of people you stay. But as I say, it's our therapy and our medication. If she not do it, she go explode. Alright? Thanksgiving sale and Nyambad yard beat her bad. And the Christmas sale not come yet. So how she go manage? She have to go double up on her milligram. Yes man, she have to go double up. So when you know what to do, continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel. Continue to support it. The Young Entrepreneur College student. Link of our YouTube channel. Pin in the comment section. Alright? And remember the cash up also pin. $ Life is a Mission TV. Pick up on yourself and bless up on yourself. We have to carry this to the world. Make the world hear these type of people where we have in the world to deal with. Jealousy, haters. I'm out.